So here I'm reading in the data that Steve put up on his little check on the SMC, and there it is being read into an array. So it was a little array of 7 by 6. So that's the numerical values of it. So put that in to the program, run the program on it, and we get this plot of it out. And here the reds and the yellows represent the higher values. 2.75 is the largest value, and it's sort of down in that area there. It prints it out, plus it interpolates between different values and sort of smooths it out. Now, as a result of that, I thought I'd go into Photoshop and have a look at this picture that Steve put up for the SMC that was put out by Parks, and there it is there. Now I thought I'll try overlaying it, the information that Steve put up. So here is Steve's array with no interpolation but color mapped. Again, this 2.75 here is the highest value, and you can see that's right up at the top here. And other values, so 2.7, I guess that must be 2.7 as well, with the dark values up at the top up here, the dark being the purple, dark purple, or the black. So we take that off and we put on the one we looked at just a moment ago. It looks just like that. So that means that I can overlay this thing in approximately the area I think it would go, and it seems to correlate with the data from this image. There's the dark area, the brighter area here, the much brighter spot down here, and the one interesting thing is this little, looks like an X-ray of an intestine, this little section in here. So if we overlay our interpolated data again, we can see that it sort of fits where it's all supposed to fit. So I don't know if this is correct or not, it's just coincidental, but what it does show is we can actually take the data from the telescope and do something with it. So if I switch that off, now I'll use a color map which is approximately equal to the color map that Parks have used, and we get this. We can still see the little intestine area in here. You can see the very bright area down here and the two darker areas up here. And we can move that around till it sort of fits just about where it looks like it ought to fit. So this has been very good. It's been an exercise for me to learn a bit of Python, and or Snake as my wife calls it. And so I'd be interested in any data that's taken by anyone on the telescope and saved onto the SD card. If it could be, any of them could be retrieved, just to see exactly what's in the format of the data, and see what information's there. And I'd like to be able to play with this to see if I can do some plotting just like this. Thanks for that.